Hi guys, in this particular video, I'm going to be walking you through exactly how you can build a series of landing pages for your funnels using a simple tool I'm going to share with you guys right now, totally free. And this is going to be very, very useful to a lot of us who have actually found a digital product we are selling something online, and maybe in the past we've been driving traffic to, hitting the checkout page. Some of us use Seller, some use Nestude, some use Direct to Stripe and other platforms. You see, we are already aware that you are losing a lot of conversions because you're taking people directly to your checkout page, especially when you're not even able to track it perfectly well. All right, and this is exactly where this particular series of landing page for your funnel comes in, because if you actually have a landing page that actually bridges your ad to the checkout page, it makes it better for your conversions, because you would obviously see an increase in that particular conversion on the sale of that product that you obviously have. But the question here is, this can quite be technical. What exactly would I use to host these landing pages? And this is exactly what many people shy away from. And that's why I'm here to show you exactly what to do and how to actually create these landing pages right now using a simple tool I'm going to share with you guys on here. Okay, now what exactly is this particular tool? Now the tool I'm going to be using right here is called Bombi.io. Now Bombi is actually a webinar automation platform, and with this particular tool you are able to turn your webinars into a full conversion funnel, automate those webinars and use it to sell over and over again and print more money online. This is going to work for you if you're selling a mid-ticket or a high-ticket offer, but basically if you're selling a low-ticket offer, then all you simply need is a landing page to bridge your ad and your checkout, right? And that is exactly what we're going to be looking at on here. Now, if you're going to be building these landing pages, it's absolutely free. You don't need to actually pay for this particular feature. And all you simply want to do right now is to go over to Bombi.io. I'm going to be dropping my affiliate link in the description. Yes, use my affiliate link in the description of this particular video, the first link you see there, and the link also in the pinned comment, so that I can actually get to make a couple of cents from anybody that actually gets to jump on a higher plan later in future, right? But we're starting out with the free plan on here now. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. You can create a free account for yourself, and that's absolutely fine. So what I'm going to be doing on here, I'm going to be starting out with this. I'm going to be logging into my account, and once I log into my account on here, as you can see, still here, Franklin, good evening. Yes, I'm shooting this particular video at night. This is like, okay, early in the mornings, like 1 a.m. thereabout, right? But then you can see the different features here, from webinars to landing pages, the media, the contact, the emails, automations and all, right? But I want to set up a landing page. So I'm going to click on landing pages on here, as you can see. And once I'm on here, I'm going to click on a new landing page. And for this particular purpose, let me just say 1 a.m. test, right? Because I'm shooting this video at 1 a.m. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create landing page. But the very first thing we actually want to do, once we click on create landing page, we're going to be seeing right here, as you can see on my screen, that it's asking you to paste in your HTML. Now, the beautiful thing here is the fact that we actually have a series of AI tools that will help you to build your landing pages like ASAP. And yes, I've gone ahead to use Claude to build me a badass landing page for a particular product that I am actually looking at selling, right? And I'm going to show you exactly how I have done that and how I'm going to go ahead and paste this inside of here, right? So I actually came up on Cloud, prompted Cloud. So actually came up on Cloud, prompted Cloud on a couple of things, and then went ahead, shared the product I'm looking at selling with it as well, and told it to actually build 1 or 2 things for me on my landing page. And this is exactly what Cloud gave me. Let me show you guys. As you can see on here, this is what my landing page looked like. Do you see that it doesn't look like an AI design? All those AI sloppy pages that you guys have been posting everywhere, right? This is one of those pages. Now, there are many more other pages that I have built with Claude, right? I think I've actually mastered this whole building with AI tools without making it look like AI, and it makes a whole lot more sense. It makes it badass. And this is exactly where I'm going to say, if you are selling any digital product and you want to leverage or master how you can use AI to build things that give you higher conversions, that helps you to start scaling and make more money from that particular product, then you obviously want to join my free class. The link is going to be in the description of the particular video as well, and also in the pinned comment. That's going to be the second link in the description or in the pinned comment, so you can easily access it. Right now, this particular design is ready, so I'm going to be just go ahead. I'll copy. So as you can see here, copy. I'm going to be copying the HTML of this particular page. I'm going to copy it, come over. Oh, I'm logged out, so let me log back in here. Yeah, so let me just go over to pages and 1 a.m. test. Okay, so once I'm in here, I'm just going to come over and then I'll paste the entire code. The entire code that they gave you, just paste it inside of here, and we're going to click on publish. Right now, once you actually go ahead and click on publish for this particular page, you're going to notice that Bombi has gone ahead to publish this particular page for you, and you can obviously get to view this page live. Let's do that right away. As you can see, this is the URL, and this is exactly what your page looks like right now. For me, I actually don't like the way this whole thing is. I think it should have been 2 lines, and this is really a couple of corrections that I'll go and prompt Claude to quickly make those adjustments for me, because that's exactly how Claude designed it. Okay, yes, that's how Claude designed it. So but that's not really necessary right now. We'll make those changes as we get to make some changes in future. Now, there are 2 major things that are on this particular page that I'm going to be prompting Claude to add for me. Number 1, you're going to see that there's a video placeholder here where I need to add a video of mine. And secondly, you can also see that there's an image placeholder here. All right, I need to add an image. Now, how do I use Bombi to add these images inside of here? So first things first, we actually need the founder's image. Right now, I'm actually doing images because adding videos is actually quite simple with Claude, especially when your videos are hosted maybe on Bunny, on YouTube, or wherever it is hosted. So for example, I could just come over here and I'll copy this, my old video, and I'll come back to Claude and I'll say, okay, for the VSL, so I'll say add this, right? But then for the image placeholder, add this. So I want to go get the URL for the image I want Claude to add for me, at the image placeholder section. But in order to do that, I need to go over to my account right now on Bombi. And once I come here, I'm going to go over to the media section. And once I come over to the media section, I'm going to click on upload images. All right. And when I come over to upload images, I'll go to my image gallery. I have an image here. This is one of my images. Yes. Yeah. So I'm going to allow Bombi to quickly upload this. I don't know. I think my network is a little bit slow because it's meant to be done already. All right. Okay, so let's just give it a couple of minutes, and once this particular video, okay, it's uploaded, the image is uploaded right now. Once it's uploaded, what I'm going to do is to copy URL. Right, I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to go over to Claude, and I'm going to add this. Right now, since you are making adjustments, you want to go ahead and we'll say also make this copy just fit 2 lines. Right, so I'm going to copy the copy area, right, and that's it. So I would say go ahead and make this corrections. Now you see the way I was able to use Claude. Now you see the way I was able to use Bombi to upload my images and all, right? This is exactly how you want to do with all of your images. Just upload it to Bombi, copy the URL, paste it inside of Claude, and tell Claude, replace this image with this, replace this one with this. So Claude will always get to mark or give you a name for each of the placeholders, right? So you can now replace them with the right link for each of those image placeholders, and that's exactly all you want to do, right? So Claude is actually making this fix right now. And one final thing, guys. So let us say, for example, we did actually add this to the other correction. We can actually just add everything at once so that Claude does everything once, like ASAP. Another thing is the link to the buttons, right? You want to tell Claude, on every button on this page, add this link. So let's just say I'm selling with Stripe, right? So I'm just going to say https stripe.com. Right now, I'm actually leading a direct link to Stripe, basically because I do not have any checkout URL for any products here. This is a test, right? But then you want to replace this with your own, checkout link. So if it's a seller you're using, if it's a Nestuge, if it's a Stripe, if it's a Gumroad, whatever it might be, you just want to replace it on there. Okay, so let's just add that. That's the final correction. That's just what we need. So every button on this particular page that we have fully designed right now is going to have, this whole Stripe link attached to it. Okay, now this has been fully done, and what I'm just going to do is to copy. I'm going to copy this on here, come back to Bombi, go to landing pages. This is the landing page we have here, edit it, and once I click on edit, I would replace. You would delete the entire previous HTML, now paste the new HTML, and once we do that, click on update, right? So once you actually click on update, you see it has been updated, changes are live, like it says here, and I will click on view the live changes. So this is exactly what this entire, page look like. And see image adjustments to this particular area, right? This basically fits better for me right now. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see here, the video is here actually, right? But something happened. I think it's replaced the play icon and all. We're going to tell Cloud to adjust that as well, but let's go and see the image. So you can see the image is already here. So you can see the image right now. So let's go and tell Claude. So I said the video is not playing. Add your play button so we can tap to play, right? So I'm going to allow Claude to do this particular change right now. Yeah, but this actually goes as much to show you how AI is basically running our entire business operations for ourselves, right? And we are actually doing a lot right now with AI. Right, one of the major questions you're going to be asking me is, Franklin, this page is so badass. I've heard it a lot from different people. When I build pages, they're like, oh, this page is so badass. But this is just one of other areas with which you can create badass, stuff with, Claude and a couple of other AI tools, right? I'm going to be exposing and sharing with you guys all of my prompts, every single thing I use for landing pages, for my entire funnel, for other stuff, right? That's going to be the second link in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can easily access that. So Claude is done with that change. I'm going to come back, go over to Bombi, edit and update this particular page. Let's view this page again. So let's see. So you can see, awesome. You got that? So you can obviously see right now, yes, the video is here. There's a play button and the video is already starting to play, right? And let's go over to the image. The image is still there. This is a very beautiful landing page for real. And on the buttons as well, once I click on the buttons, you can see the button is going to lead me to stripe.com. You can see that was exactly what we added, right? So this is a complete page, and we actually did this with a free account on Bombi. And all you simply want to do right now is to go ahead, get an account with Bombi, use it to start building a series of badass pages for yourself. If you actually want me to teach you how I actually get to leverage AI for my funnels and the whole entire business operation for myself, just click the second link in the description and in the pinned comments, and I would see you there. But then if you have questions and concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you actually love this video as well, and let us get started with this one. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be expecting to hear from every one of you. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.